Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to autosave stories into memories on Snapchat. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you do that, go ahead and log in into your Snapchat account. Now on the top left corner of the screen, you'll see a Bitmoji. Tap on the Bitmoji, then go to settings from the top right corner of your screen. Under settings, you'll see memories option right under my account category. Just go ahead and tap on memories. Once you do that, you're gonna see save destinations option where you're gonna have to select auto save my story snap. Tap on it and go ahead and tap on autosave to memories option there. Then you'll successfully turn on autosave stories into memories on Snapchat. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.